on private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today y'all are gonna see a couple of things, and right now I'm currently on a road trip. Y'all already know we love the road, but I volunteered. I'm a volunteer mom, and I'm very involved in my baby's life, and I'm gonna continue. So her teacher asked me to help, but really and truly, this girl had me doing everything. Y'all gonna see. I had some crab legs, and I saw this new drink that did look like hypnotic. We went to this fabulous park, but anyway, here we go onto the video. Lego. I hope you enjoy it. It's a cinnamon bun.
Oh.
Wow, look at how nice it looks.
I want some.
Ooh. You want some?
Yeah.
This is delicious.
Look
at this. Taste it. Mmm. You gotta taste that.
Buddy some.
I know. Let me see.
I see Buddy wants some.
Okay. Wow. Woo! Big bag, big bag. Yeah, my bag is loaded up with snacks and goodies too. You want some? You want some? Mm-mm.
Buddy said, what is it, Hunter?
That's the cinnamon bun.
I said
Mommy's eating a cinnamon bun. Good. Oh, no.
You want a piece?
Go ahead. You eat it.
Yeah, we just put our finger on it.
I didn't know what it was. From the kitchen view, it looks like.
Ooh.
Yummy! Yummy!
Here's Nova's. Very creative. Everybody's so creative. Careful.
Very good. You saw the ghost. Stop. You saw the ghost. Chase, you're being spoken to too many times. Put your hands by your side. Okay. One thing. One. Give me one thing. All right, come on.
Okay. Put your fingers together.
This is half and half. How yummy. This looks so good. Right? Oh, la la. I'm guessing this is the lemonade. Just the iced tea. Does that look like half to you? Yeah. It's a little, yeah.
A little more sweet tea.
Okay, look at this drink. Would y'all try this? Let me know. What is it?
Triple mix.
This is a triple mix. Yeah. Uh-huh. Nah. They got a lemon. Yeah. This is supposed to be like half and half on 1,000. Some hypnotic. It looked like hypnotic. Yeah. Let me get some of that. Look at what you doing though. Look at the rope. Don't be scared. You got it. Go ahead. Yay. Yay. Oh, yeah. Huh? All right, you got it. Yay. Thumbs up. Yeah. You see? And let me see the outfit. What's your sweater say? Ooh, honey. Ooh. Hey. Go Nova.
Can she go here?
Let me see the numbers. Tell me the numbers. 8, 9. Divided. Where's 4? Yes. 5, 6, 1. Let me see 1. Where's 1? 1. Look down there. 1. You see 1? There it is. 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. There it is. 0. Where's 0? It looks like a circle. 0. Like this. 0. No, 0. Look down on the bottom. Yeah, 0. There it is. Good job. Good job. Nice. I know. You did a good job. Hey, dun 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 bum bum dee 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 bum bum. Hey, get it. Dun dun beep 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 beep. You want to go on the swings? I know. The baby swing is broke. No, go over here. It's 2 swings right here. Huh? You don't want this one? Look at the tutu. Tutu. It's a tutu party. She taking a nap? A circle. Another circle. A circle. Let me see a square. Can you show me a square? A square? Yes. Where's the watermelon? Yes. Where's a star? You see a rectangle? Yes. Yay. Where's an oval? Oval shape? Woo! You won! You the winner! Dun, 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 dun. Look at the face. Yes. That's the face of a winner, people. The winner. There's a winner right here. She's a winner. She's a runner. She's a track star. Hey. She gonna run away when it gets hard. Yeah. I don't own the rights to that song. Wow. Go like this. Wow. Amazing. I'm looking. Yay. Yay. Bravo. Bravo. Beethoven. Hey. Wonderful. Take it away. I'm looking. All right. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Hey. 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 Yeah.